Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to Technical Analysis Foundation, the complete professional trading course for beginners. In the previous tutorial, we talked about trading psychology, one of the most important things in trading. We all know that the most traders lose money. So in this tutorial, we will continue the trading psychology, but focus more on what makes top traders different from the average traders, and how those top traders in the world manage their trading psychology. I call it the 12 winning habits of top traders. Alright, let's get started. Habit number 1. Top traders focus on the things that they can control and accept the things that they cannot control. Trading is full of randomness and uncertainties. So what are the things that top traders believe that you can take control? For example, building the trading system that suits your style and personality. Following your trading system religiously, setting realistic goals are something that you can take control. And also, predefining maximal risk, calculating position size, and setting stop loss. All these activities are the ones that we can control in our trading. And these are exactly the things that top traders choose to focus on. On the other hand, they fully accept the things that they cannot control. For example, the market movement, earning reports, bad news, other traders' tips, Federal Reserve's decisions, or even Trump's tweets. All these things are totally out of traders' control. We constantly hear average traders talk about these kind of things all the time. But top traders choose not to focus on these things and don't allow these things to interfere with their trading decisions. The key takeaway for new traders is that everything that you can control are the things that can bring you the edge to beat the market and that give you the profits. So please do those things well. Please focus on the things that you can control and do them very, very well. Habit number 2. Top traders are comfortable making decisions with incomplete information. New traders feel like they have to know everything before making a trade. When they lose money, they believe it's because they didn't know enough information or the top traders know more than they do. So they spend more time on getting more information and instead of working on the things that they can control. Top traders deeply understand that trading is a game of probability, not a game of certainty. You can do everything right with full information and still lose money. Top traders religiously follow their system, not information. The key takeaway for new traders is that stop believing the top traders make consistent profits because they know more information than you do. Virtually all the information has been priced in the market. So focus on building and following your trading system. Market information can be used for great feedback, but if you want to be one of the top traders, you have to be comfortable making decisions with incomplete information. Habit number 3. Top traders stop thinking about the market being too cheap or too expensive. Average traders tend to value everything based on price. $2 a share is cheap and $2,000 Amazon share is expensive. If you buy a share at $2 and then it goes down to $1, that is probably the most expensive stock you ever bought. On the other hand, top traders don't focus on price. They focus on price action, which is the imbalance between buying and selling pressure in the market. The key takeaway for new traders is that stop focusing on price. Instead, ask yourself one question. Will there be anybody going to pay more or less for this stock in the next 2 minutes, 2 weeks, or 2 years based on your own trading strategy? Trade the price action, not the price. Habit number 4. Top traders trade aggressively when they are trading well, and they trade conservatively when they do not trade very well. Average traders usually increase their position size after they had a string of losing trades with the hope of getting the money back, or take the revenge trades to prove the market wrong. Top traders do not let their emotions dominate their position sizing. They increase their trading size only when they make money and their account is growing. They reduce their trading size and activities or even stop trading after they experience a stream of losses, which is completely opposite than most of the average traders. So the key takeaway for new traders here is that your trading system has to include a strategic position sizing plan, which helps you to increase your position size when your account grows and reduce your position size when you have a big drawdown. Also, stop trading is a strategy too. Remember, there are 3 types of positions: long position, short position, and no position. Number 5, top traders don't chase FOMO trades, and they understand there's always another opportunity. The feeling of FOMO is real. We all have experienced that the trade goes exactly what we predict, but we didn't take it and we feel regret. That's exactly where our FOMO comes from. Next time when this happens again, average traders will start chasing these trades to avoid the pain of regret. However, what separates the top traders from the average traders is that the top traders focus on new opportunities coming tomorrow, where average traders focus on opportunities they have missed yesterday. So the key takeaway for new traders, remember that the market will always open tomorrow. Stop chasing the FOMO trades. There will be another hundreds or even thousands of new opportunities for you to profit from the next day. Develop a short memory for the missed trade and focus on finding the next good opportunities. Number 6. Top traders never add to their losing trades. In fact, we mentioned this 3 to 4 times in this course. That shows how important it is. New trader tends to have an idea that when the price goes down, the price becomes cheaper. If I buy more at that price, it's a bargain. Top traders get out of the trade completely when it goes against the plan. They might get back to the trade later, but they will never average down to a losing trade. Adding to a losing trade is the quickest way to blow your entire account and lose everything. Key takeaway, when a trade starts going against your system, strictly get out of the trade. Never average down to a losing trade. Number 7. Every top trader has an edge that they can explain to anybody in 60 seconds. If you cannot explain how you make money in the market in a simple and a clear way, you don't have an edge. Average traders tend to feel like they know their edge, but if you ask them what exactly their edge is, they will have troubles to articulate it clearly. Top traders understand one simple fact. Understanding your edge deeply and entirely helps you objectively get in and out of a trade with minimal external influences, especially emotional influences. In other words, the more clear you understand your edge, the less emotions you will have when you execute a trade. So the key takeaway for beginner traders is that you can write down your trading system and how you're going to make money in the market on a piece of paper. Look at it every time before you place a trade. Regularly review and refine your system until you understand your edge entirely in its simplest form. Number 8. Top traders calculate their position size strictly based on their risk tolerance, not emotions. There are some new traders trade 100 shares per position for everything. Some traders trade $1,000 or $10,000 per position for any share. There's no risk consideration in their position sizing. Top traders see position sizing as a risk management tool to help them succeed for the long run. How many shares or contracts to long or short is directly related to the risk, not the price. In Module 5.1, we have an entire module talking about how to calculate the position size. So if you want to know more about position sizing, you can go back to that module. The key takeaway for new traders here is that position sizing is a cornerstone of the risk management in any trading system. You have to predefine the maximum risk per trade you can tolerate first, before deciding how much to put on a trade. Number 9. Top traders understand that making money is more important than being right. Our ego drives our desire to be right and prove others wrong. There's an old saying goes, the market can stay longer than you stay solvent. Top traders know that making money is the goal in trading, not to prove everybody he is right. The key takeaway for new traders here is very important. Stop being afraid of admitting you're wrong. Being willing to change sides when the market signals you to do so. Stop fighting, revenging, or trying to prove the market. Focus on being open-minded and collaborating with the market instead. Let the market review where the good profitable trades are, and you just embrace it and take that trade. Number 10. Top traders believe their business isn't just trading. They see their business is finding the good trades. New traders struggle because they feel like they have to do something in the market every day to feel like they're working. Even though their trading system doesn't signal any good opportunities, they still forced to make some trades to feel better, to feel more productive. Top traders can watch the market for 3 weeks and not touch any trading account. The main activity of their trading business is not punching keyboards on their trading account. It is doing massive research work to find the next good quality trade setups based on their trading systems. So the key takeaway for new traders here is that think of yourself like a sniper. Snipers can hide in the jungle for 3 days patiently waiting for their target. They don't shoot around when they get bored. They know exactly what they are waiting for. Once the targets show up, they pull the trigger and execute it with no mistakes. If you want to be a top trader, train yourself like a sniper in the market. Number 11. Top traders are patient with their winning trades and very impatient with their losing trade. You probably heard, let your winning trades run and cut your losses quick. However, Average traders do exactly the opposite. They take profits too early because they're afraid of their profits will go away, and they hold on their losing trades too long with the hope that the trade will magically turn around and become a profitable trade. Top traders don't let that emotion make trade decisions for them. In fact, top traders don't have winning trades all the time. They take many small losses in their trading. But the key difference here is that the top traders trade with a system. They cut loss quick when a trade goes against them, and then they give their winning trades enough room and time to achieve the maximum profits potential. New traders here should learn how to immediately cut your losing trades with no emotions and give time to your winning trades. Learn to be comfortable with taking a few small losses before finding a big winning trades. Number 12. Top traders record every trade and review those trades regularly. If you are a new trader and looking for a single most reliable way to improve your trading results, it would be keep a trading journal and review it regularly. A good journal is a top trader's most important trading tool. A careful reflection and analysis of this record can point out where you should improve your system to achieve a better result. Some top traders even spend more time on reviewing their trade history than trying to make new trades. The key takeaway for new traders is that it's virtually impossible to progress from rookie to expert without keeping a solid trading journal. Trading is a marathon. Expect to integrate this habit into your trading system for years or even decades if you are serious about developing to become a top trader. Legendary trader Jesse Livermore once said, "It takes men a long time to learn all the lessons of his mistakes. I convinced myself that whatever was wrong, it was wrong with me, not the market." This is the classic top trader's winning mindset. Financial market is full of randomness and uncertainties. The only way to win the game of chances is to focus on what you can control and do that very well. And the ultimate way to focus on what you can control is to manage yourself. Alright, we come to the end of this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoying it, and most importantly, hope you guys learn something valuable that you can implement into your own trading. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next module. Bye for now.